What we're going to do today is how to on installing a brand new Lexan polycarbonate. It says it has an anti-scratch coating into a Suzuki Samurai using actually 2 cords. So everything online I saw uses just 1 cord, and on this car it actually has 3 different channels in the seal. There's one channel on the outside, there's a channel for the window, and then there's a channel for the inside. So on this car I actually found out that it was easiest to put the windshield in the seal first, and then put 1 cord in the inside seal and the other cord in the outside. So then what I would do is you pull the inside cord first and then pull the outside to match, so that it allows the whole windshield to push in as you go. And it worked great. I've never done it before, and it actually wasn't too difficult, and I did it by myself. So here we go. And bought this Lexan scratch resistant poly unit from Low Range. I'm going to give that a shot. You can see I already have the seal on it. I've read a few different things. Some say to install the seal first and then rope the glass in, and most of the more professional videos that I saw were actually installing the seal onto the windshield first and then roping it in. So what I've got is a rope partially inserted under the seal. You want to make sure that you tuck that all the way up. You can see next to here that it actually helps hold that seal up, and then when you pull it out, it's going to pull it around the lip. So get it in there nice and tight. Give yourself lots of room here, and we'll see how it goes. See on this bottom edge, the seal is going straight down, and it's keeping us from being able to push this seal down any further. So let's take it back off, see if we can find another piece of paracord. I'm sure we can, and we'll tuck it in there. Down here, it's actually putting this rope in here. Now we've got 2. We got 1 in here to pull this seal in, and then we've got 1 in here to pull this seal out over the outside. Otherwise it just pushes on it. Ladies and gents, let's get this thing in here. It's looking pretty good actually so far. Make sure I keep the pressure. So let's go outside, inside, outside, inside. Let's get this seal over. I'll pull this one out. There we go. Inside, outside. Make sure that seal is down on there. So I have a feeling if it pops up, it's not going to want to go back. Like right here. It's wanting to go back. I don't know why. Okay, let's try to keep the pressure on. Inside. That's working. That's kind of stuck. So I'm going to keep going. pressure on it. Something's not going down. Okay, it is falling in line as it goes. Believe it or not. It is slowly pulling it around. Looks like it's going to be more of a fight than originally thought, but that's okay. Stop there again. Losing it. Pull this up. Push that seal in. So you can actually, probably won't be able to see it, but as I pushed on this, I felt that whole seal. As I pushed on this, you could feel the whole seal actually rotate down and into place, and the seal came all the way up around the back. So even though, as I was pulling the inside lip over, it didn't look like it was going to go. It was barely clearing the edge. It did. So, with that theory in mind, I'm going to keep doing that. You guys, so that you know it actually went on even on this mangled frame. I'm going to go ahead and keep on pushing it down. Pull this out. Seals up. Okay, so the only places where I'm going to try to pick are going to be those corners. Tops, all that. You can tell the windshield is just a little bit high. It's pushing on the top of this in some spots. Kind of pushes down in there. So that might be okay. For this rig, it's probably going to be all we need. As long as it doesn't come flying out when I'm towing it. Well, usually it's in the toy hauler anyways. Okay, let's take a look at the outside. Okay, so you can see here, it came out nice around most of it, and then boom, some spots are still stuck. A little low, looks good on the top. So I'm going to try the pick. So what we're going to do is try the pick. We're going to try to grab these without ripping the seal up and pulling the corners up. Make sure we get nice and lubed up though. Get this nice and slick so don't tear up our seal, hopefully, and then get this under there and pull it out just like this. There it is. Looks good. Push this in there, make sure that everything's seated. Looks good. So actually, the top looks okay. Grab this section. Looks good. See if these will tuck. Yep. Just so it looks a little nicer. Looks good. That's it. Brand new windshield. Nice and clear. Strips in there. That's it. Looks good.